Denmark has taken a significant step in modernizing its military engineering assets with the acquisition of new Leguan 2 tracked armored bridge layer vehicles. According to a statement published by the Danish Ministry of Defence Acquisition and Logistics Organization, DALO, on January 30, 2025, the Danish Army Engineer Regiment has officially received these German-made vehicles, which are designed to enhance battlefield mobility and logistics capabilities. This strategic procurement, facilitated by the Danish Ministry of Defence's Material and Procurement Agency, FMI, is part of a broader effort to improve Denmark's defense infrastructure. The new vehicles, supplied by KNDS Germany, formerly Kraussmaffei Wegmann, will provide the Danish Army with cutting-edge bridge-laying technology, allowing for the rapid deployment of tactical bridges in complex operational environments. Built on the battle-proven chassis of the Leopard 2 main battle tank, MBT, the Leguan 2 armored bridge layer combines the legendary mobility and durability of the Leopard 2 with specialized engineering capabilities. This integration offers multiple advantages, particularly in terms of maintenance, logistics, and crew training, as the Danish Army already operates Leopard 2 tanks. The shared platform ensures streamlined operational support and enhances overall readiness. Each Leguan 2 is equipped with two bridge sections, one measuring 14 meters and the other 26 meters in length. Both are designed to meet Military Load Classification (MLC) 80 standards, allowing them to support heavy armored vehicles, including main battle tanks and infantry fighting vehicles. This ensures that Danish forces can maintain high-speed mobility across a variety of terrains and combat scenarios. The system's modular design also allows for future bridge expansions, increasing its adaptability for various mission requirements. To further improve operational flexibility, the Leguan 2 is delivered with a specialized semi-trailer for bridge transport. This allows the Danish Army to quickly reposition bridges, ensuring rapid mobility for its forces in changing battlefield conditions. One of the standout features of the Leguan 2 is its advanced measurement system, which automatically calculates the remaining load capacity after each vehicle crossing. This ensures accurate load management and prevents potential structural failures, maximizing both safety and the bridge's operational lifespan. In terms of deployment speed, the Leguan 2 is designed to lay bridges quickly and efficiently, even under combat conditions or in adverse weather. This ensures that the Danish Army can sustain battlefield mobility and maintain operational momentum in high-pressure scenarios. For crew protection, the Leguan 2 is fitted with advanced armor that shields against small arms fire and shrapnel, providing a secure environment for operators in high-threat areas. The vehicle is also equipped with several additional features to enhance performance and durability, including an integrated cooling system, an auxiliary power generator, and state-of-the-art 360-degree vision systems for improved situational awareness. To maximize the effectiveness of the new armored engineering vehicles, the Danish Army is implementing a comprehensive training program for operators. This includes tabletop trainers, advanced computer-based simulators that allow crews to practice bridge-laying procedures in a controlled environment. These simulators help soldiers refine their skills before deploying the vehicle in real-world operations. In addition to training, the Danish Army will receive a full logistical support package, including spare parts, specialized tools, and maintenance services. This ensures that the Leguan 2 fleet remains operational and combat-ready over the long term. One of the strategic advantages of acquiring the Leguan 2 is its integration into a growing international user community. As of 2023, 9 nations operate the Leguan 2, providing opportunities for multinational cooperation in logistics, training, and technological development. Through the Leo User Club, countries utilizing the Leopard 2 platform, on which the Leguan 2 is based, can engage in shared training programs, discuss system upgrades, and coordinate future modifications. This collaboration ensures that the Leguan 2 remains a relevant and effective engineering asset in modern military operations. With the introduction of the Leguan 2 into its fleet, the Danish Army is significantly enhancing its ability to conduct rapid and efficient engineering operations. These vehicles will play a crucial role in maintaining mobility, ensuring that Danish forces can maneuver across challenging terrain and overcome obstacles quickly. As global military challenges continue to evolve, Denmark's investment in advanced engineering technology strengthens its ability to respond to crises, participate in allied operations, and ensure operational success in both combat and peacekeeping missions. The Leguan 2 is now set to become a cornerstone of Denmark's military mobility strategy, ensuring that its forces are well equipped to meet future challenges head-on. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.